Success. Everyone wants it. But most people don't really understand what it costs. It's not all motivational quotes, winning streaks, or overnight fame. The truth? It's uncomfortable, painful, sometimes ugly. We grow up dreaming of making it big: the money, the recognition, the freedom. But what nobody tells you is this: the road to success is built on uncomfortable truths. On you will lose people. Success demands sacrifice, and sometimes that means walking away from the crowd. Friends who don't believe in your vision, people who distract more than they support, you'll lose them, and it'll hurt, but it's necessary. 2. Motivation won't save you. Motivation is like sugar, tastes good, but it burns out fast. The truth? Discipline is what builds success. Waking up early when you don't feel like it. Working in silence while others are out having fun. It's boring, it's lonely, but it works. 3. You will fail. A lot. Failure is not the opposite of success, it's a requirement. You will fail. You will question yourself. You'll wonder, is this even worth it? But every failure is a step forward if you learn from it. 4. No one is coming to save you. This one hurts. No one owes you success. No one is coming to hand it to you. You'll have to build it. With your own 2 hands. With your own energy, mistakes, and late nights. 5. Success can be lonely. Everyone sees the glory. Few see the isolation. When you're obsessed with your goals, not everyone will understand you. You'll be doubted, misunderstood, even ridiculed, but that solitude, it sharpens you. 6. You'll be underestimated. People will doubt you. They'll say you're dreaming too big, you're not smart enough, not experienced enough, not enough. Let them underestimate you, because nothing is more powerful than quiet progress. 7. You'll have to do things you hate. You won't love every step. Sometimes success means doing the boring, hard, uncomfortable stuff, even when it makes you miserable. Why? Because winners do what others avoid. 8. You'll have to work when you're tired. There's no perfect time, no ideal conditions. You'll have to work when you're tired, stressed, unmotivated, or even heartbroken. Success doesn't wait for your feelings to catch up. 9. You'll question your worth. Self-doubt is a constant companion. You'll wonder, am I good enough? What if I fail again? But here's the thing, even successful people still feel that way. The difference? They act anyway. 10. Success is slow. Success doesn't come in a week or a month. It takes years, and during those years it feels like nothing's happening. But growth is invisible until it's not. Be patient. Keep watering your dream. The truth about success, it's hard, it's uncomfortable, it breaks you before it builds you. Uncomfortable truths aren't roadblocks, they're tests. And if you're still standing, you're already ahead of most. Success isn't given, it's earned, in silence, in pain, and in persistence.